Chew it, chew it. You need to chew it, Brayden. Brayden, chew it. You need to chew it. Wait, chew it, chew it. Your mouth is full. Do chew it. Do you like corn? Chew it.
I see it, Mama.
Drink your tete now. There's up there. There. Someone is gross.